Hello friends, now we will talk about the next circuit, that is sample and hold circuit. This is very important, especially for digital circuits or digital communication circuits, for conversion of analog signal to digital signal. That is one of the component in conversion of analog signal to digital signal. So in sample and hold circuit, we have the two op-amps at input stage and output stage. These are basically voltage followers which are used to isolate the signals, to provide the isolation. It has high input impedance, low output impedance, high input impedance, low output impedance. So in overall, this circuit has high input impedance and low output impedance. Let us see the operation. Remember, this is a unity follower circuit, so whatever is input here, that will reach here, right? So input circuit is sinusoidal signal. So we have a switch, MOSFET based switch. This is high frequency switch, this is a switch. So when this switch is turned on, this voltage will reach here. When this switch is turned off, this voltage will be isolated, or that is cut off, and there is a capacitor here to hold the last sampled value of this signal. So when you have this is on, this signal reaches here and a capacitor stores the value, last value, right? So this is basically to hold the last value of the signal, right? Again, when it is turned off, so it holds the value, and of course this is isolated from this signal, is isolated from this side when this is off. So this switch is turned on and off by using a signal called control signal, which is a pulse waveform, and that decides the sampling period of this signal. So this is the sampling period. When pulse is high, that period is sampling period, right? So when pulse is on, when this control signal is high, this switch means MOSFET. This MOSFET is turned on, this signal reaches here, and the signal here is same as here because it is again a voltage follower. So this signal is same as this signal. So this input signal reaches at the output when this pulse is high. So this signal reaches at the output when pulse is high, and when pulse is low, this switch is isolated. So output is basically you can have last value of the signal like this. It will be holding the last value of the signal. I have not shown that, but definitely it will hold the last value of the signal like that, right? Fine, that's what I am trying to say. Similarly, when it is off, so it will hold the last value. Last value was this, so it holds the last value. When again switch is turned on, so it suddenly changes to the previous the current value, and when it is off, then it will hold the last value again, like that, right? So that is how this circuit works, sample and hold circuit, right? So purpose of capacitor is to hold the last value of the signal, and I hope the concept is clear and you will be able to handle just a theoretical question based on sample and hold circuit if you have. And that finish your sample and hold circuit. Thank you very much for watching the video.